Damon just got his new grill. I think he's cleaning it. See how it's going. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning up a bit. Do you want a hot dog?
Yeah, sure.
Huh?
Sure.
Okay.
You making hot dogs?
Yeah.
What are these?
What?
What are these?
Hot dogs. Do you want one or no?
Dave, you know you can't actually use those.
It's gonna be fine.
Dave, no, stop.
It's gonna be fine.
I'm serious.
Really?
Go get real hot dogs if you want them. You cannot put these
Fine.
on the grill.
I'll have this later. Kaylee, I'll get you. Do you want a burger?
Sure.
Go get me the bacon. You can use my own grill.
What is this?
What now?
These aren't real either.
It's Oscar Mayer.
It's not real.
What are you talking about?
You cannot put these on the grill.
Why?
Oh my, ew.
What?
That's disgusting.
What?
That's so gross.
What? It's so good. You have to try it. It's so good. No, like you have to try it.
Absolutely not.
It's a little on the medium rare side.
Don't gag. I'll gag. Please don't. Okay.
Oh my god. Babe, can you please just try this?
No.
Just take one bite. One little bite and then
No,
leave.
I'm
One
being
little bite and then
serious.
leave. Please.
No.
Just one little bite.
No.
I don't know why she doesn't like hot dogs. Kind of slaps, low key. Oscar Mayer. Oh, I forgot my bread. I just gleeked.